If I have a large area to clean and disinfect, or a high volume of pieces like these chairs, I could move to a more productive tool, like this pump sprayer. I'm going to switch to using Mediclean GCC for this, so I've added some protective goggles and an N95 mask to my PPE. This pump sprayer has 1 gallon of water in it, so I simply need to mix in the standard amount of 2 ounces per gallon of Mediclean GCC and mix that in. Then we move on to cleaning and disinfecting, and very much the same process as we did last time. Only this time we can get through a lot more at a quicker pace. And these are ready to go, clean and disinfected.